Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something intriguing and delicious to share with you all, the Chinese red bean smoothie. But before we delve into the details, did you know that red beans hold a special significance in Chinese culture and have some fascinating unknown facts associated with them? Stay tuned as we uncover these interesting tidbits. Let's get started. Red beans, also known as Adzuki beans, have been an integral part of Chinese cuisine for centuries. They are not only tasty but also offer a plethora of benefits. Unknown fact number 1. Red beans are believed to bring good luck and fortune in Chinese culture. That's why they are often used in celebratory dishes during festivals and important events. Isn't that fascinating? Now, let's explore the intriguing world of red beans and their connection to the Chinese red bean smoothie. Unknown fact number 2. Red beans are packed with essential nutrients. They are an excellent source of protein, dietary fiber, and minerals like iron, potassium, and magnesium. These nutrient powerhouses can contribute to a well-balanced and healthy diet. But let's not forget the star of the show, the Chinese red bean smoothie. Fascinating, isn't it? Now, let's dive into the potential health benefits of the Chinese red bean smoothie. Unknown fact number 4. Red beans contain antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress and support healthy aging. It's amazing how a simple ingredient like red beans can have such powerful effects on our well-being. But how do we turn these ingredients into a delicious smoothie? The recipe is quite simple. Just blend the cooked red beans, ripe banana, almond milk, honey, and a touch of vanilla extract until you achieve a smooth and creamy consistency. Unknown fact number 5. Red beans are widely used in Chinese desserts, such as sweet soups, pastries, and mooncakes, showcasing their versatility and unique flavor. This smoothie not only offers a delightful taste but also comes with numerous health benefits. Unknown fact number 6. Red beans are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion, regulates blood sugar levels, and supports heart health. So, the next time you're looking for a unique and nutritious beverage option, give the Chinese red bean smoothie a try. It's a perfect choice to incorporate the goodness of red beans into your diet. Thank you for joining us today as we uncovered these unknown facts about red beans and introduced you to the delightful Chinese red bean smoothie. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating information and delicious recipes. We'll see you next time with another exciting topic. Take care and stay curious.